The big talking point for financial markets in the last couple of days has, of course, been the cryptocurrencies volatility that some of them have faced. Bitcoin, in fact, rebounded from Wednesday's low and posted the best day since April 30th this year. That is yesterday that I'm referring to. Remember that it is once again back above the 40,000 mark after touching an intraday low of nearly 30,000 on Wednesday. Ethereum too, which is the other popular cryptocurrency that market participants generally refer to, that also gained about 10% to trade near the 3,000 mark after briefly plunging below the 2,000 mark on Wednesday itself. But with that, what we have to actually address is the fact that this is not the first and surely not the last time that Bitcoin has slumped more than 50% from its highest point. There have been past instances, in fact almost on an every year basis since 2014, where you've had intra-year corrections of more than 50%. So 2021 the maximum correction has been 54%, last year it was 63%, 2019 the correction was 54%, 2018 it was as high as 81%, while 2017 stood at 45%, 2016 was a little less than 40%, 2015 was 50%, and 2014 was 70%. So as you can see from these data points, except for 2017 and 16, there have been other years, in fact all of the years since 2014, where there have been intra-year corrections of more than 50%. But that said, what is also important to track is how quick or how late the recovery has been. So with that, let's address what has happened in the past. 2020, the maximum correction was achieved in 29 days. However, it took 136 days to recover to the peak itself. 2019, 145 days to fall. However, it did not manage to recover to its previous peak during the year. Similar was the case in 2018, where it took 294 days for the fall to be completed and it failed to recover to its previous peak in the year. 2014 it fell, the maximum correction that we are talking about of 45%, that took about 4 days to complete, and for the rest of the year it did not manage to recover to its previous peak as well. 2016, 40 number of days that it took for the fall, and in the next 104 days it managed to recover. 2015 it fell in 11 days, and that 11-day fall took 243 days to recover. 2014, once again, there were 267 days that Bitcoin took to decline to its maximum, and it also failed to recover during 2014. So what this actually shows is that whenever there has been a 50% plus correction from its high, there has been an elongated period of time that Bitcoin has taken to either recover, or in many instances, like we have pointed out, it has failed to recover in the year itself. So with about 6-7 months pending for 2021, it will be interesting to see how cryptocurrencies perform over the course of this year.